Are you having error code 18005 when updating the firmware on your TP-Link router? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Verify hardware version and region. Error code 18005 typically occurs when trying to update the firmware on a TP-Link router and indicates that the uploaded file was not accepted by the device. When you get such an error, check the bottom sticker of your router for the hardware version and region. Ensure you download the correct firmware version for your specific hardware and region. Method 2. Download the correct firmware. Visit the TP-Link website and navigate to the download section for your router model. Select the correct hardware version and region to download the appropriate firmware file. Method 3. Upload the firmware. Log into your router's web interface using the IP address, usually http://tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1. Go to the firmware upgrade section and upload the correct firmware file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the firmware upgrade process. Method 4. Restart your router. After the firmware upgrade, restart your router to apply the changes. This should fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix error code 18005 when updating the firmware on a TP-Link router. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.